Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create graphs and charts in Canva. This is perfect if you want to present data in a way that's both professional and eye-catching. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all of Canva's design components. Inside the Elements tab, type the word chart into the search bar. Canva will show you a variety of chart styles, like bar graphs, line charts, and pie charts. Once you've chosen a chart style, simply click on it. It will appear on your canvas. Drag and resize it to fit your layout. Now it's time to bring your data to life. When you select your chart, you'll see an option to enter values. Fill in your numbers and Canva will automatically update the chart. You can customize colors, fonts, and labels to match your brand or theme. Experiment until the chart not only shares information, but also looks visually appealing. Once you're happy with the design, you can download your chart as an image or PDF, or share it directly from Canva with your audience. And that's it. You've just created a graph in Canva. With these simple tools, you can make your data easy to understand and visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Canva tutorials for more tips.